Fox Carolina Weather. Weather Rate's certified most accurate local forecast.
Well, luckily it is calming down tonight. There are no storms left on the radar, so you can sleep tight, not to worry about any storms developing, at least not till tomorrow, as we will have more storms for Tuesday. A calmer Wednesday into the weekend. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday through Mother's Day looks nice. So if we could just get through Tuesday, we'll be in much better shape. I think Wednesday could pack a couple showers, but not expecting much in the way of thunderstorms. So here's a look at the tornado reports that we had across the area. Near Elberton, that was the storm that we started tracking around 1:15, 1:30 this afternoon, and then it moved through Abbeville. I remember tracking this, and it cycled through a bit. It would weaken a little bit and then strengthen back up, and likely produced another tornado or another touchdown through Abbeville County, and then again near Greenwood. We've seen significant damage, and damage that's consistent with tornadoes. And National Weather Service, during our coverage, called it a large destructive tornado that went through Elbert County and into Abbeville County, especially near Lounsville. So it was a very dangerous situation. That's one reason that we were on the air as long as we were. Had some tornado reports near the Atlanta area too. Now it's all clear, just some cloud cover out there and temperatures in the 60s. So it is a muggy feel outside, and we're going to be in this stagnant, nothing really changing pattern until we have a front move through tomorrow. So really temperatures aren't going to budge much. We're going to be looking at mid 60s in the upstate. That storm threat is lower. And in the mountains, we get a break from the rain with low 60s on the way. Tomorrow afternoon, 70s with storms once again. The best chance is going to come between about noon and 7 p.m., a lot like today with storm timing. That's one good thing about it, is we're not going to be dealing with nighttime storms. And it'll be when a lot of folks are weather aware, but keep in mind it could happen when you need to go pick up the kids from school. It could happen when you're heading home from work, so you need to stay connected with the weather. Here's a look at this evening. Notice it stays nice and quiet, but by Tuesday morning, look at that. We've got some heavier storms pushing into the mountains. These will likely not be severe, but they would intensify through the day. Look what happens as that front finally catches up, brings those strong storms into the upstate by around 3 p.m. That's the window where we're going to have possible spin-up tornadoes again. The likelihood for that a little lower than it was today going into tomorrow, but still we'll have to watch out. Very strong wind and hail will be a potential as well. Here's 7 o'clock clearing out, and we'll see a few lingering showers into Tuesday night and Wednesday, but otherwise much improved weather by Wednesday into Thursday. So tomorrow, the greatest threat for severe weather is going to be well out to our west toward Birmingham, west of Atlanta. But from Atlanta up toward along the 85 corridor, and a big chunk of our area included in that level 2 risk for severe storms. So scattered storms will be likely. Now, as we go into the day on Wednesday, we'll have a chance for a few lingering showers. Can't rule out a thunderstorm, but it does look like we're going to be clearing up in time for Thursday and Friday, and this weekend looks delightful. In fact, overnight lows will be nice and refreshing in the 50s and 40s, and then we'll have our next rain chance returning into Monday of next week. Now time for your Mo Monday Sky Meter. It is sponsored by Mo's Southwest Grill. Let's take a look at that Sky Meter rating. Since the morning will be mostly dry, we didn't give it a terrible grade, but a 6 out of 10 as it looks right now, because we'll be dealing with that threat for storms in the afternoon, and we'll have much more on that severe threat as we move forward. Of course, the morning news